So there's not a lot of pictures out there on the internet for CB500x with SW MOTECH Blaze saddlebags. They just kind of give you a generic shot like this and a couple close-ups of the bags, but I wanted to go over this bike and these bags in great detail for anyone considering buying them. Now there is a higher level, the Blaze Pro comes with a little bit better material, but again, neither one of them is waterproof. They come with liners, but they're universal bags with bike-specific mounts. So I'll just start down here, and this is a 2022 model CB500x Honda. Got spacers and bolts that replace the factory foot peg bolts. You can push this button down and that comes out, which I'll show you in a minute. Clip to hold them on. This does fit with stock exhaust also, and this is a 300 millimeter oval Black Widow exhaust, and it doesn't get hot. If you live in a hot climate and you do a lot of idling and being stationary, you might get a little warm. And this is an Outback MOTECH rack, but without that, I think it'd be up against this plastic, but still it fits very well, and that bar will keep it away from getting into the tire. Plenty of blinker clearance, and these do zip out and expand. With them zipped up, the factory handlebars are wider than they are, and when you expand them, they're almost exactly as wide as the factory handlebars. You know, maybe an inch and a half wider across here with both of them unzipped versus the handlebars, which is handy because if your handlebars fit, the back end will fit. I'll go ahead and show you how easily these come on and off. So before I take these off, I wanted to show you, I've got these SW MOTECH locks. They're great for locking up your coat or your helmet to your bike. I've got one per side so I can lock the saddlebags to the bike and my gear. I don't have to wear my motorcycle gear into the gas station or restaurant or up the hiking trail. Okay, so this is the liner. This is not a cover, it's a liner. See, it's waterproof. You put your stuff in there, Velcro it shut, roll the top over a couple of times, bring it around, clip it, that goes inside. It keeps your stuff dry, but this will still get wet. You're going to have to make sure you dry it out. You get to where you're at the end of the day, or whenever the rain stops, open it up and let it dry out. And it does come with those. These go on and off incredibly easily. Velcro on the top, buckle right here, and I've got dirt and dust in mine and it comes off fine. Slide it backwards. If you want to take this bracket out, you push right here, give it a little bit of a wiggle, comes right out. Now if you're going to put this back in after you've been riding in the dirt, you're going to want to put some water in there, try and clean it out a little bit, because the only thing I don't like about their design is to get this seated in there, that's got to be 100% clean. So what I'm going to do is probably going to 3D print a plug to put in here to keep the dirt and everything out. If I get that done and accomplished, I'll make a video for it, and I'll put the link up on my YouTube video for it. Same thing other side, putting them back on, click, slide, snap, Velcro. Super easy, super fast. Very happy with these. Generic bags, bike specific mounts, can't go wrong. Quality products from SW MOTECH, everything I've ever ordered from them. One thing I forgot to mention is they do actually send this clear protective film with the bags, but I'm not really one to shy away from dirt, mud, and scratches, so I didn't put it on. But if you are very particular about your paint, they do include it. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.